Part 2 with the Dodge Ram 1500. We did part 1 9 months ago. We had to purchase new heads. It was crap. Now we're going to put it back together. Some new heads still in there. Just drop the base bond. Clean up underneath there. Clean up, prep, put back. Alright. See how the piston and the cylinder walls look. Gotta clean them up. Alright, done with this. Seven more to go. Alright, clean up, prep. Ready to put together. Alright, set the head gasket in place. About to put the cylinder heads on. Alright, ready to put the head on. Just running down the bolts, and then we can torque them down the spec. Ready to torque the head down. The spec was 50 pounds first, then 105 second. Gonna put on the exhaust manifold in the gasket. And I put on the intake, but to put on the intake manifold. Intake. One. Hold down. Now put the push rods in and the rocker arms and torque them down to 17 foot-pounds. The rocker arm installed. Torque down to 17 foot-pounds. Now I gotta put on the valve pan cover. Alright then, we're gonna put up the intake, valve cover on, rocker arm in, run out the harness, the wire harness now. Then we'll have to put in the power stand, pump and compressor and alternators. We'll be good to go shortly. Completion of the 2001 Dodge Ram head gasket replacement. Job completed.